Assalamu alaikum everyone. Am I audible to you guys? Miss Sadaf, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the class. I'm just waiting for some more participants. And please keep yourself muted if you're not talking. This is my humble request for everyone. Okay. How are you, Sadaf? I think you were present yesterday and you took my session yesterday. You were there. You were present in my session. Did you?
No, sir. It's my first session. I was not present yesterday.
Okay, it's going to be your first session. What do you do? Would you like to just put your introduction briefly forward?
Okay, sir. I'm teaching in teaching field, and I'm teaching in Habib Public School in Karachi.
I think yesterday
I'm
you were
teaching
there. You
ICT.
told me about yourself that you were teaching at Girls Habib Public School.
No,
That
no. I'm
I
in boys,
remember.
not girls.
Not boys sections. Okay, anyway, what do you do?
I'm in Habib Boys, and I am teaching ICT in primary grades.
Oh, that's very awesome. It's a very intriguing subject to teach. Anyway, that's great. Okay.
Thank you.
How is everyone, guys? Am I audible to you? Rest of the students can hear me. Rest of the participants can hear me. Guys, can you hear me or not? Please do let me know if you can hear me, so I can just continue. Otherwise, I'm going
yes, sir. We can hear you.
Okay, Mariam Tiaz, how are you? And welcome to the class. I think yesterday you did not attend the session. You were absent from the session. Were you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Actually, I joined, but then there was some Wi-Fi issue.
Okay.
Yes.
It's gonna be your first session. Okay, so you're gonna enjoy. You're gonna.
Yes, but I checked your video. You sent the link, so I checked the video.
You watched that video. Okay, and you learned
Yes.
you learned some words out of that video. Credulous, incredulous. Okay, there were a lot of. I thought at least 10
I hope we are
words.
going to learn something more.
Yeah, you're gonna do that. Okay, but how are you? You need to demonstrate resilience. Okay, do you know the meaning of resilience? Because whenever you get into new thing, anything new which is new to you, so you are more likely to face teething troubles at initial stage. Okay. I am trying to just not to use mundane words that can be ordinary for you guys, because you have got adequate prior knowledge of English language. I'm trying to use advanced version of the words. Anyway, now guys, I'm moving forward. Actually, today I would like to talk about the topic which holds overwhelming significance, and that is a great linkage in education. That's all about education. Okay, however, before I do that, I would like to teach you some of the new words which will be new to you, and then you can learn that, and we will try our level best to use those words in our conversation as well. So all of you ready for that? If you have any question, you can ask me right now. Okay, before I just start teaching you new words, you can ask me any question. Okay, Marino, I can see the yes. Okay, and hopefully you just practice all the words which you learned from the video, because it's not about just learning by rote. You practice in a way that you can use all these words in conversation, in practical conversation. Okay, so that will make your English sound much better. Okay, so guys, let me share my screen with you. The first word which I use today. Okay, so I have written this word, teething troubles. Okay, it's a very, very useful word. Okay, whenever you start something new and you are likely to face some problems at initial stage while doing that, any kind of, it can be project, it can be any kind of experience. So you are likely to face some problems at initial stage. So those problems which you face at initial stage are called teething troubles. Teething troubles. Okay. For example, I will give you my example. When I started teaching, I faced many teething troubles because I could not stand in front of the students. I could not write on the board. Okay, because I was having a fear of the students in my mind. So these problems were teething troubles for me at the time. Okay, you must have faced teething troubles in your life in any kind of experience, in any kind of for example, if you are doing any kind of assignment, so you are likely to face some problems at initial stage because you are not used to that. So these problems are called teething troubles. Hopefully you understand that. Guys, you do understand the meaning of this word, teething troubles, or not?
Yes, sir, we do understand.
Okay. Okay, so the problems which you face at initial stage of doing anything, these are called teething troubles. Number two, resilient. This is a very good word. Resilient means that when you face any kind of problem, you stay very positive. You remain very positive in the face of that problem. It means you are a resilient person. Okay, you don't lose hope. Okay, and your attitude towards the problem is very positive. So you are a resilient person. This is an adjective. Got it? You don't lose hope. You don't capitulate to the problem which is lying in front of you. So you are a resilient person. Got it? Maybe, for example, if you are asked to deliver presentation, okay, maybe it can happen to you that first time you end up losing your confidence in the face of the audience, but you demonstrate and you stay resilient. Okay, next time I will do next time, no problem. It happens to me, no problem. It can happen to anyone. Okay, however, I will deliver the presentation next time as well. So you are a resilient person. Okay, you do not capitulate to the problem. You do not capitulate the situation. So you are a resilient person. Resilient, this is an adjective. Resilience, second one is, this is a noun. Okay, resilient, you can say I am a resilient person. It means I can face the problems with very positive attitude. Okay, resilience, the second one you can use, I can demonstrate resilience. Okay, while facing problems, I can demonstrate resilience. Hopefully you understand, guys. Okay. Understand or not? I can give you
No,
first
sir.
further enlightenment as well
second
if
one,
you have a
the-
difficulty. Resilience, this is the noun of resilient. Okay, the first one, this is the, let me write it down. This is the first one, it is an adjective. You can be resilient person. Okay, in the face of any problem.
Okay.
Second one, this is a noun. So you can use demonstrate, you can demonstrate resilience. Okay, you can exercise resilience. It means you can face problems with very positive attitude. So you can exercise resilience. So you are a resilient person. Now, hopefully you understand that.
Sir, can you understand by a sentence?
Okay, for example, I will give you example. When I was told by principal, okay, to do a presentation in front of the student, it was my first experience, and I was very afraid. I was hesitated. However, I demonstrated resilience. Okay, I demonstrated resilience.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
You understand?
Thank
Okay.
you.
No problem. Now let me ask you. You guys can make some examples using these three words: teething troubles, very useful words, resilient and resilient. So who will do first?
Sir, resilience is an attitude.
No, resilient. This is your character. This can be your character. Okay. It is a feature. If you are a resilient person, it's a very
Can I
positive.
explain resilient in simple words, sir?
Resilient मतलब ये है कि जो okay, I can tell you in Urdu the first मतलब ये है कि जो मुश्किलात का जो मुकाबला करता है ना, मतलब पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड के साथ मुकाबला करता है, मतलब